around mile 58 on the C&O Canal, and I've only gone like 3.5 miles, but I'm kind of tuckered out already. It's amazing how it sucks getting old. But if I hope to ride any kind of distance as the year continues, I gotta train. And the only way you can train is to ride. I don't know what else to say. It's humid as heck too. It's about 82 degrees. It's June 26th, 2023. And I started in Brunswick, Maryland, which unfortunately is like a 40-minute drive from my campground. But I thought maybe today would be a good day to do this because it's kind of cloudy, plus I'm in a green tunnel here, so I'm not exposed to the hot sun, and it's generally pretty flat. The big question is, would a newer, better bike be easier? Would I even notice the difference? I mean, this one is, it's in good shape, but it's like a 1995 version, so it's a whole lot of years old. I don't know what it weighs, but I know the new bikes are, well, new bikes that are in my price range are maybe 20-25 pounds. So, I don't know. We'll see. So that's the Shenandoah on the left, and on the right is the Potomac. Well, made it. A little over an hour, I guess. Kind of like about 12 miles, plus or minus. Just was sprinkling a minute ago, so I guess I made it right on time. I'm back to Brunswick. Yeah, it's going to take a while to get used to this, but can't overdo it. Till next time.